guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Cortisha if you are new, and welcome to a cozy vlog. I had to pick up the camera today because yeah, it's cozy season and I really wanted to decorate. I didn't want to decorate on camera, but as you can see, or I kind of like showed you shots of around my house of like all of my fall decor, which I'm so excited about. I think the only thing that I'm really missing, I mean, I could always get more things, but the only thing I think I'm really missing is usually I have like a seasonal candle, and I didn't get one because I thought I had one from last year. Apparently I don't, so we're gonna have to go and get one. Yeah, I wanted to open up the vlog today because I just wanted to show you the cozy things I do. So today's a Friday and I have been starting a new hobby. So I've been doing like watercolor painting. So I started, typically I will, at the end of the night, like a little bit before we put the kids to sleep, this will be like the thing I do, like maybe like 20 minutes of it. So this is the watercolor book that I use, and this is like beginner friendly. So this is how it looks. This one is by Emily Lux Studio, and it came with like a water paint color kit. So this is how it looks, and it's great because there's like really no maintenance because it's activated with water. But I've been really enjoying the book because it has like some instructions, short instructions, and then it has the picture over here, and then it has the outline. I don't know if you can see, but there is an outline, and then you just kind of read through the instructions. These are the ones that I've done before. So I've been really having fun doing it. It's so relaxing. You know, just a little hobby for myself. So because I'm extra, I wanted to get like a fall one. So, oh, I should mention, I got this from Anthropologie. So I was able to get it from Anthropologie. They have it available online, or you can, I think online you have to pay like duties because it ships from the States. To avoid that, you can just call the store and then do a telephone order, or you can go into the store and do an online order to ship to your house and not pay for shipping and all of that extra stuff. So little pro tip. But yeah, I got this autumn book. I'm so excited. This came yesterday. I was so excited, so I had to open it up before showing you guys. But yeah, it comes with like some of the artwork here. Hold on. Oh, there's this one. How cute. And another one of oh, there's this pumpkin. How cute. So I think today I'm gonna use the autumn watercolor book. This one is from Paint and Pigment, also from Anthropologie. But this one, you don't have to buy it as a kit. It just comes with the single book because I already have the paint, so I didn't need it. Yeah, so anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and relax a little bit, and I'll show you the watercoloring. Other things we have planned. So I'll share today and we'll bring it over to tomorrow, because tomorrow we plan on going to the farm. So I'm so excited about that. I can't remember the farm we're going to. I'll pop up the name. And I love this farm. It has so many activities for the kids. They have like seasonal drinks and like wagon rides and like apple picking, all of the fun stuff. So we really enjoy going there. So we'll do that tomorrow. Ooh, I found this delicious recipe for, oh my God, what is it called? Blondie cupcakes, like Blondie mini cupcakes. So I really want to make those tomorrow as like a cute sweet treat for the kids after we come back from the pumpkin, I was gonna say pumpkin patch, but after we come back from the farm, so that will be nice. But yeah, spend some time with me. I'm really excited. Let's get to painting.
good? I thought he was gonna do it. You want up, buddy? Yeah. Wait, look at me, look at me.
Don't say close, Mom.
You got a lot.
Daddy? What is this?
I don't know. It came with the junior. This is like a barbecue sauce. Put it on.
Still hot?
Yeah.
Hot.
A little hot. Want to take a small bite? Okay.
I see another one.
Another one?
Yeah.
I'll just
Put it in.
finally